Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Wevolve box. This is an every other month box. It does feel kind of light, and she did send an email out saying that there might be a chance that one of the items is missing, and to just contact her. I'm really glad that she's being so forthright about it. So let's see what we got here. Okay. This is usually the insert, and it's Inner Alchemy Ritual Kit. So I'll come back to that. I like to look at stuff and then come back. Viva Sandalwood. So I'm guessing these are incense. Very cool, substantial little packet of them. We've got a beautiful thing here. Feels like a mirror. Oh, wow, pretty, pretty. It's like a little plexiglass, sacred geometry type thing. It's very cool. Very, very cool. Love that. That's really, really neat. Oh, we've got this, like, it's a pretty sturdy, kind of reminds me of like what those reusable tablecloths were made out of for picnic tables. This is very cool. Let me just flatten it out over here while we go through the rest of the box. We've got a pretty little bowl. Cool. We've got a little Ouroboros. Cool. We've got a little stand. Ooh. It's kind of, got some dye on it. My hands aren't dirty, it just feels tacky. Like, still kind of moist. We've got a cool little kit here. They haven't sent out one of these kind of kits since, the manifesting box in January of 2019. So we've got a little star here. We've got a little tiny little cute little thing of oil. So cute. Some little parchments, probably for intentions. We've got 3 colored chime candles. Okay. Got some lavender buds. We got a beautiful peacock ore. Alright, let's check this out because this is all really cool. Okay, so the brass burner and tripod. Okay, that's what this is. Very cool. Used as sacred objects, your rituals can be used for burning earth, resin with a coal, or as a bowl for water to hold your stones or other items. This is the Wevolve Box Alchemy Ritual Kit, which has the 3 candles, the candle holder, the paper slips, the anointing oil, the peacock ore stone. Instructions for the rituals are enclosed separately in the box. Okay, bronze Ouroboros pendant. Very cool. The word Ouroboros comes from ancient Greek, often interpreted as a symbol for internal cyclic renewal, or a cycle of life, death, and rebirth, reincarnation. It is a symbol often used in alchemy to represent transformation. 64 tetrahedron acrylic grid. The 64 tetrahedron acrylic grid represents powerful sacred geometry. It is the base of the fabric of reality. The number 64 is found in numerous systems in the cosmos. 64 codons in our DNA, 64 hexagrams in the I Ching, 64 tantric arts in the Kama Sutra, 64 manifestations of Shiva in Hinduism, and 64 is the underlying structure in the Mayan calendar. Use this powerful grip to charge your crystals, sacred objects, intentions, and rituals. Harmonia Macrocosmica Canvas Altar Cloth. That's what this is. Really cool. That's pretty cool because it's, I think it'd be nice and cleanable. The Harmonia Macrocosmica is a star atlas written by Andreas Solarius and published in 1660. This particular image is a map depicts the Copernican world system. This model positioned the sun near the center of the universe, motionless, with the Earth and other planets orbiting around it in circular paths. Previous models depicted the Earth as the center of the universe. It was the launching point of modern astronomy. Use this cloth for your altar or hang on the wall of your sacred space. Alchemy art card. Alchemy, a chemical image for the 1400s written in Latin with images signifying the process of transformation. Very cool. And let's look at this. The objective of spiritual alchemy is to free yourself from your core wounds and self-destructive beliefs and habits. This allows for deeper connection with your inner knowing and alignment with your higher self. This ritual is a 3-stage process. It may be done in a single day or over a series of days. If you would like to have an impactful and lasting transformational experience, make this a sacred process. Take your time with each phase, giving each step attention and love. Expand on each exercise and make them yours. So the anointing oil is sage, orange, patchouli, and coconut oil. The anointing herbs are sage, lavender, and agrimony. Peacock ore assists with reversing process. It's a stone of joy that can help identify the causes of negativity and filters it out of our bodies. Phase 1, transformation by fire. Create sacred space by burning sage or incense or by whatever means you use for your personal rituals and meditations. Set up your tools by placing the 64 tetrahedron texture side down on the star map. Add your peacock ore and any sacred items, stones, etc. that you feel called upon to use in this process. Wear your Ouroboros pendant or other adornments if it feels right. Meditate on the shadow aspects of yourself that are fear-based and keep you from being full alignment with spirit. This reflection is the basis for the whole ritual, so take your time if you need, days if you need to. Really explore the parts of yourself that don't receive the light of your attention. Allow the tears to flow freely if you feel emotional. There is no judgment here, only observation. Don't get caught up in the idea of right or wrong. When ready, write down these reflections and wire how they impact you in a concise, clear way on a piece of paper. Condense your writings into 3 short sentences or root words and write these on the 3 included slips of paper. Set up the brass bowl on the wooden stand on the top of your grid. Crumple the slips of paper one by one and carefully burn them in your bowl. Once the bowl has cooled, pour the ashes on a plate or spare sheet of paper. Take your black candle and anoint it liberally with the oil and then roll it in the ashes. It says messy. Ashes, messy. While stating out loud, I acknowledge that these aspects have played a role in my learning and growing into an enlightened spiritual being. I honor and release all that no longer serves me. Use the words that work best for you. Wash your hands. Fold the original paper for your reflections twice and set on top of your grid, and then place the candle in the adjustable holder on top of the paper. Light your candle and sit in meditation for a few minutes, breathing in pure light and breathing out what you are releasing. Let the candle burn completely. It should take 1.5 hours to 2 hours. The sacred geometry amplifies the candle wood. Purification. Prepare your sacred space and tools as before. Wear your pendant or adornments. Get out some paper and pen for writing. Make yourself comfortable, closing your eyes and breathing deeply. Take as much time as you need to write down things about you need love and forgiveness. Go deep, dig it out. Find all the things you feel guilty or bring you shame. Let it all come out. If there's emotion during this process, this is an opportunity for release. Do not repress your emotions. On a new sheet of paper, write a list that consists with concise sentences to say, I forgive myself for blank. I love myself despite or / even though blank. I forgive so-and-so. Fold this paper and place on the grill. Pour the herb packet on a plate or spare paper. Anoint your candle liberally your white candle liberally with oil, and then roll the candle in the herb, stating out loud, I call the energies of the element water, earth, water, air, fire, and air. I ask that blah blah blah, whatever you believe in, purify my being, that I may be in alignment with unconditional love. Light the candle, allow it to burn. Phase 3, align to the divine. Take your time to prepare your face, prepare the paper and pen, sit or lie down and meditate and contemplate on your relationship with the divine. When you are ready, write a letter of love to the divine within you. Anoint your candle with the oil. Hi, Sneaky Sneak. Can I finish?
Oh, you're taking long.
Okay, so that's this. This has been a Wevolve Esoteric Box for March 2020. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.